You know, sometimes it takes a little while for these parts to come in the mail, but when they're here, they're here.
Thursday, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her, man.
So, injectors came in, and then we're gonna just go with that, man. We're gonna replace the injectors, and then we're gonna put the rail on, and we're gonna change up the ends of these clips. Even though these look pretty good, the originals, I just want to get them all brand new. So let's start. So here's a problem that you might run into. Let me give you that little heads up. So if you look at all these injector ports, they kind of have like a chipped off plastic. I'm not sure if this was done after the original fact, or this is from the manufacturer and they cut it off that way. But I had to pretty much do the same thing on this injector, and you see the clipped off side right there, exactly. So I just clipped it off, but unfortunately, if you put this one, it doesn't fit into the actual, doesn't fit all the way down. So you have to clip this side off. So I'm gonna do all of these individual, install them, and then do the wiring after. As you can see, I just clipped this one off. It looks pretty similar. So I did it here. As you can see, this one actually even went in better. Actually clipped, I heard it clip. So we're just doing one injector, one rope. Rope, not really rope, but connector at a time. So this is how it is. As you can see, it's not going to allow it to go down. See? So we have to clip the side in order for it to get in. That's what we're gonna do. 2 down, 6 more to go. I'm going with you right now. Clean injectors, man. Let's get it. Yeah, I had to take a little break because the customer came asking me to do a job, man. But the problem with the customer, he don't want to pay. And unfortunately, I could care less about your car at this point. You know, if you want to do it yourself, that's up to you. You know, more power to you. But if you want me to do it, I'm not charging cheap anymore. So yeah, but I told him $300 to fix a fuel line or whatever other problem is down there. It might be multiple fuel lines, it might be one that's corroded, I'm not sure exactly. But yeah, whatever. It's gonna cost me $50 in parts, probably less, and the rest of it is my time. And that's cheap, like I said, so I ain't stressing it. But yeah, man, back to this. We got the injectors. I'm gonna take off these little clear plastics in the bottom, and I'm gonna install them one by one. And we're gonna get these injectors in real quick. All right, so pretty much they're all in. We're gonna get the rail on, but I'm just showing you the process, man, one by one. A little bit of time this is taking me, honestly, man. But look, though, this is why I'm doing everything I'm doing. So I have a random misfire for the longest in this truck, but I never really cared about it, honestly. But if you look at this wire right here, look at this. I'm pretty sure that's the cause of one injector failing, and like I said, it was a random misfire. It was multiple problems, but it's good to do this. I told you, look, I got my guys. Don't worry about it. Y'all working, man. Y'all helping me out clean the floors and shit, you know, because I had an oil leak.
Yo.
Word, but this is it, man. We almost done. Almost done.